Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about and develop our understanding on the area of a sector. Now remember what a sector looks like. It's part of a circle. Part of a circle that is enclosed by two radii and an arc length. Looks like a bit of a piece of pizza, or if it's a larger angle, or this part here, looks a bit like Pac-Man. So if we denote the angle here as theta, just a Greek symbol, and the two radii as r, remember that these two distances are exactly the same in length. And the area of a sector is given by this particular formula. Now why it's theta over 360 times pi r squared? Well, if we just had pi r squared, that's a circle. That's the area of one circle. But we have a fraction of a circle, and that fraction all depends on how big that angle is, divided by 360, because the whole angle at the center here is 360 degrees. So the angle, whatever it is, divided by 360 multiplied by pi r squared. That will give you the area of the sector. Okay, so the first question I'll do, and I'll show the working step by step, and we'll see how we get the answer for this particular shape. So calculate the area of a sector to one decimal place. So first step, write down our formula. Figure out what our bits and pieces are. So that is our radius. This is our angle theta. Substitute into our formula. So theta is 60 degrees. R is 13. So we do 60 over 360. Remember, you can do 60 divided by 360 degrees on your calculator, multiplied by pi times 13 squared. You get a calculator display and just round it off to one decimal place, so 88.5 square centimeters. Just make a note that it depends on the angle. Sometimes you can simplify your fraction. So 60 over 360 is the same as 1 over 6. It simplifies down. You don't have to simplify it in your calculation, but sometimes you can simplify it if you know what the angle is. For example, if it's 90 degrees, you know that's a quarter of a circle. So instead of writing 90 over 360, you can just write down a quarter. And if you know this particular fraction, you can just write down 1 over 6, just to make it a little bit quicker. Otherwise, you can just leave it as 60 over 360. Okay, answer this question like we did with our previous one. Pause the video and we'll just see how you go in a couple of minutes. Okay, so step one again, you write down your formula, theta over 360 times pi r squared. Put in your angle, which is 90 degrees. So that's 90 degrees there, and our radius is 22. So 90 over 360 times pi times 22 squared. Have your calculator display, and then round it off to one decimal place. Well, one decimal place will be 380.1, so ignore that 3 there. Again, as I said earlier, your fraction can be simplified. So we have 1 quarter as a simplification, or you can just leave it as 90 over 360. How did you guys go? Did you get the answer? Okay, two questions based on what we just did. Calculate the area of this semicircle. Remember that angle is a particular thing, angle on a straight line. And the second one is calculate the area of that sector. You need to know this angle. Okay, put your answers in the Google Forms and we'll see how you go next lesson. Thanks for watching.